The great city of Detroit is in the midst of a great comeback. The Detroit real estate landscape is bursting with untapped potential, and you don't want to miss this opportunity. With businesses like Quicken Loans, Google, and Amazon placing big bets on the city, people will be looking to find quality, affordable properties to call home. The homes in Detroit were built strong and with pride. Properties with great features that have stood the test of time. CTD Holdings is bringing these properties back to life and has been able to make those features shine. CTD Holdings owns, operates, and manages a portfolio of properties in Detroit and surrounding areas. If you would like to own, invest, or rent a property in Detroit, CTD Holdings is the company to contact today. Come experience the rebirth of Detroit with CTD Holdings and let our house become your home.